Hi guys, and welcome to another tutorial. In this one I just want to go over quickly the first section of Nothing But the Blood according to Yohan Kim. So in the first section he just plays it instrumental, and then the backtrack comes in. So we just do the first part. We really want to show the fat chords that he uses in the first part. So first chord here is a G7 sharp 5, right? Then we have a G chord, a G7 chord, and the 5 raised is E flat, right? And then it goes to this chord which is a B minor 7 with a flat 5. And then the bass walk up. See what else. That's what I'm hearing. Recap. I believe that's correct. I'm not too sure, but I think this is. You guys can correct me in the comment section if I. So it goes to an A flat. So let's recap: E flat, G7, B minor 7, C minor, C minor, and then this is like a B flat 7 chord with a 13, right? A flat, I'm doing a grace note off the F sharp, but I think you can also slide from the F. Hit the C7 when you do that. You can slightly see his chords in the video, but you kind of have to also use your ears as well to work out the embellishments it puts in the song. I mean, I already know the song Nothing But the Blood. I played it the traditional way, but just learning to embellish it the way he does, and kind of his chord voicings is really good. What makes his playing even better is the fact that he uses dynamics and he uses accents. So you could play it straight or have all the notes and it still wouldn't sound as good as he does, because he's adding accents, he's adding a lot of dynamics while he's playing, and that's what brings life to the music. So A flat G, E flat C. Again, the same thing here. Oh, and then we have some nice chords up here. So it's walking down. Okay. So on B flat, or think of it as an E flat major chord, an E flat major 7 chord. Walk it down. Now it's a D major 7, right? And guess what? A C sharp major 7. The left hand is going to mirror that. And then lastly, okay. So that's going to be the same thing. I'll get into a G7. That's a an A flat chord. Sorry, it's a flat, a B flat. Not really. It wouldn't even be a B flat. What do we call this? Yeah, an A flat with a B flat in the bass. Comes down to a diminished on the A flat diminished. Then I believe it. Oh, a G flat major 7. Beautiful, right? That's what I say. A lot of fat chords here. An E flat over a G. Two. I'll be ready with that one. That's a tritone. Okay. Quite nice. How we added that in. The little syncopated rhythm with giving a bit of a jazz feel. And a C7, a C7, dominant 7. Goes to a B flat. F minor. Oh, okay, I was a bit lost there. Let's go back. Oh, it's a beautiful. The rest of it is beautiful with the solos and stuff. But hopefully, I explained to you how to play that first part. So now maybe you can steal some of those chord voicings and those some of those licks and movements and incorporate it into what you're playing. And yeah, good luck. By far, my favorite chord was this G flat major 7, or F sharp major 7. However you want to look at it. See you guys in another video.